Yes, family, right back here. We're going inside our pressure cooker. And now, we're gonna check. Look at it. You see what happens? We have like next to nothing with liquid. We have a 2 piece of pigtail here. And see, we have a lot of peas inside here. Now, at this point, you never can determine the amount of your peas sometimes. If you do it on a regular basis, I should say, let me correct myself. If it's something that you do on a regular basis with this proportion I'm going to talk about, you'll know. But if you don't do it on a regular basis, you will not know how much rice, or until you have done it the first time, to know how much rice you're gonna, how your rice and peas gonna turn out. Get right in here. As you can see, my peas have been pressured, and this is a lot of peas, a whole lot of peas. But you know what happened? I ain't gonna take out any of my peas. So get right in. If you're a person that has problems, as I tell you, with the gasiness, you know you don't want to take out about half of this peas. But I'm not going to take out any of my peas. And this is where the proportion is going to come in. I have 3 pounds of rice here that has been picked and washed ahead of time. So I'm going to turn in, but not yet. So this would be to the 12 ounces of peas to the 3 pounds of rice. Okay, y'all? And my peas are fine. But if you had bigger peas, it wouldn't be so much. But I'm going to use it. Okay? So if you have like 6 ounces of peas, you'd need 1.5 pounds of rice. That is where the proportion comes in. That's what I want you to get keen on. And hi Faye, I hope your house is in on this. Love you girl, love you. Just read your comments there. I hope you're all in on this family too. You know, this is the proportion. If you are a person that likes a lot of peas in your rice and peas, feel free, go ahead. Okay? And don't worry yourself if you don't get it at the very first or the second or the third. The best of cooks, all of us, look here, at some point, it gets shaky. But that's how it goes. But you know, even if you see it not come out good, you know you can do it. So I want you to get yourselves in on this. Okay, y'all? Now, we're gonna put on back our flame, but we have a small amount of liquid in there. So we're gonna turn our flame down. Now, we're going to prepare our coconut milk inside the blender. I don't know for you all, this is one large dry coconut. This is just one coconut. This is how I do it for the blender. Some people do it like this and cut it like you're making cut cake. All of you know cut cake or Jamaican coconut drops. I don't do it like this. I cut it thin, in thin long strips. I don't know for you all who are using the tin coconut milk or the powdered one. I don't know anything about them, because some of you cannot get the Jamaican dry coconut, but I understand some of you can get it in the West Indian store. So I'm showing you that in case you should come up on a dry coconut, this is how you would prepare it. Because I know some of them go the old school here, me just show and I'm not expecting that. I'm just trying to show you all how you can do your coconut milk inside your blender. Our blender has been rinsed, clean and all of that. But we're going to do this in 2 parts. We're not going to use it all. Because we don't want to get our blender too, you know, what do you call it now? To overstock our blender. I have some water here. It's not hot. It's warm. So we're using the warm water. Even though you see the heat coming out of it, it's not hot. So we're covering our coconut. We want enough liquid. And we're going on to the unit here. We're going to chop. First of all, we're going to get it poured, so we're going to chop. And after chopping, we're going to liquefy. Just look at how it comes out. If you have a more powerful blender than mine, this is supposed to be a KitchenAid, you know, but It started going with all sort of crap after me buy it, and the warranty was up when it all started. Get right in on this camera, girl. I want them to see what it looks like. This is what I want you all to see. The texture. Get right in of the trash. Sorry. When you do it, I want you all to see the texture. When you grate it, it is still a little finer. Okay? But this is good. We can work with this. So if you don't want to get your hands all messy, you use your spoon. Okay. So you know we have another set there. And you know next patient, same treatment. Family, let me tell you something. And I want you all to listen to me good. I don't know how to do a rice and peas video in 3 minutes. I don't know how to do that. I would never know how to do that, to teach you to do rice and peas in 3 or 6 or 3 or 5 minutes. I don't really have the expertise there. I don't know it that way though. So we're putting our behinds back over here on the unit. Next patient, same treatment. Chop. You want to get it chopped before we start to liquefy. Purifying or liquefying, bringing it to what we want it to be, y'all. Getting it there. Okay. And we're there. Oops, where's my spoon? My spoon, my spoon, my spoon, my spoon. Yeah, right here. Yes? And we've got one more for the record. Let me hope me don't make too much of a mess. This is what we have here. And we are going to use a little more of our warm water. We're getting it right over here onto the unit. And we're taking out every last bit of milk out of our coconut, y'all. So this is how you can get your coconut. And I'm going to show you. I am going to show you what the coconut milk looks like. Okay? So this part is about mainly preparing the coconut milk inside your blender. Now this is as good as throwing out. Now family, when we come back, we are going to proceed to put in our coconut milk and to flavor up our rice and peas and to put in our rice, and then you'll see how it goes. See you